Hello, hello, hello. How are you today? Hello, hello, hello. Hooray! Greetings, boys and girls. I'm Dazzleberry, and I am so glad you are here with me today. Well, boys and girls, are you ready to learn the letter sounds? Yes, you are. You say you are ready? Well, let's get it. T, T, B, B, F, N, M, I, U, C, O, R, A, G, G, D, D, S, S, E, F, R, P, J, J, L, O, H, K, V, W, Y, X, X, Z, Z, Q. One more time. Are you ready? Are you ready? T, T, B, B, F, N, M, I, U, C, O, R, A, G, G, D, D, S, S, E, F, R, P, J, J, L, O, H, K, V, W, Y, X, Z, Z, Q. Well, boys and girls, that was great. That was fantastic. You are on top. Give yourselves a pat, pat, and a clap, 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 because woo, you were rolling. All right, now, boys and girls, I hope that you are having a great time today. Practice those letter sounds, right? All right, and now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. Bye-bye. Adios, amigos. Adios, my friends. Adios, amigos. Until we meet again. Love you.